Hello everyone. In this video, I'll guide you how to fix Sims 4 household not loading issue quickly and effectively. If your household won't appear, first close the game completely and restart your computer to clear temporary glitches. Next, run Sims 4 as administrator by right-clicking the icon and selecting Run as Administrator. Now, check if you have any mods or custom content, and temporarily move the mods folder out of the game directory, because outdated or conflicting mods often prevent households from loading. After that, clear the cache folder in your Sims 4 installation to remove old or corrupted temporary files. You can also repair the game through Origin or EA app by right-clicking Sims 4 and selecting Repair. Make sure your graphics drivers are updated and your system meets the minimum requirements. Finally, launch Sims 4 again and your household should load properly, letting you play without any freezing or missing content. Subscribe the channel for more videos.